Shopping is an essential part in our day-to-day life. And going to the shop to make purchases both on-site and online is usually easier when we know what we are going to do there already. Well, welcome back to our channel this day. If you're searching for the best deals, top products, and expert shopping tips, you've come to the right place. In this video today, we will take a closer look at Etsy, and we will be exploring if Etsy is a safe platform for debit and credit cards. We will be back after the short intro. Well, yes, Etsy is generally considered safe for transactions using debit and credit cards. But I guess a simple yes is not enough to convince you. So we have some reasons why Etsy is generally safe for credit and debit card transactions. First of all, Etsy uses encryption and secure payment gateways to protect your financial information during transactions. And Etsy has also brought about buyer protection policies that can help resolve disputes regarding non-delivery or items not matching their descriptions. The Etsy platform also has a two-factor authentication for added security on their accounts. And finally, but not the least, most sellers on Etsy strive to maintain a good reputation. But you should still check reviews and ratings before making a purchase. Here comes the end of this amazing video tip. But we have listed several other reasons why Etsy is safe for your bank cards, and some more tips you can apply and make your account even safer than an actual account. You can check that in the description below. And that is all for today. If you found this video helpful for your shopping experience, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to get more videos as such.